Hey, museum lovers and adventure seekers. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of Chicago's downtown museums, a cultural journey you won't want to miss. From world-class art to prehistoric dinosaurs, prehistoric discoveries to cosmic wonders, Chicago's museums are about to blow your mind. First stop, the legendary Art Institute of Chicago, home to over 300,000 artworks. This isn't just a museum. It's a portal to artistic brilliance. Witness Grant Wood's American Gothic marvel at Monet's Impressionist masterpieces. Explore works by Picasso, Dalí, and Van Gogh. Get the multi-museum pass to save big and explore more. Prepare to meet Sue, the world's largest, most complete T-Rex skeleton. 40 million artifacts spanning human history. Ancient Egyptian mummies. Incredible natural history exhibits interactive displays that bring science to life. Whether you're a history buff or a curious explorer, the Field Museum has something mind-blowing for everyone. Museum of Science and Industry. Science comes alive at the Museum of Science and Industry. Get ready for hands-on experiences that will make your brain explode. Walk through a massive tornado simulator. Explore a real German submarine. Experience cutting-edge technology exhibits. Interactive displays for all ages. This isn't just a museum, it's a playground of discovery. Chicago's museums aren't just buildings. They're gateways to wonder, learning, and inspiration. Hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment. Which museum are you most excited to visit?